Hey guys, do you want to know how to change your thumbnail on your YouTube video anytime you want, even when you already upload the video? I'm going to show you right now. Let's go on my computer screen. Right, so over here I am on my YouTube channel and I would like to change the thumbnail on this video because as you see, it's not that so sophisticated and it has very low views. So I'm going to change this one. So what I do, I will select the video and we're going down here where it says edit video. We click on edit video and it brings us to this page over here where we uploaded the video in place. Now you see the thumbnail that the video already has. It's this one over here. And you scroll down a little bit and you go over here where it says thumbnail. And then you click on the three dots on the right and then you click upload file. And this is the last file that we had. I'm going to put myself here. And now you do have a new thumbnail, but do not forget to press the save button over here. Done. So now if we go back to my channel, go here to your channel and you see the video again, which is this one.